In this video, I'm going to show you how to free up space on Yahoo Mail. So there's actually a few ways you could do this. I'm going to show you all of the most common ones. So the very first thing you can do when you open Yahoo Mail is to actually go and look for different emails which have attachments that are big. So the easiest way to do this is to go to Inbox, go to search your email up top, and then simply type in this command, has:attachment, okay? When you do this, press enter, and there we go. It's going to pull up all of these emails which have attachments. And of course, you can go ahead and click on them to see what these attachments are and see which of them are big. So this one, for example, is 10 megabytes. I could delete this and get some space back. Now, once you, of course, filter for these, you can just go and highlight all of them or just some of them and then hit this delete button over here to actually put it inside the trash. Then you could also go and find old messages you may not need anymore. So we could also go and just uncheck this and go to where it says date and then change this to custom dates and go back to something like maybe 2020, 2021, or whatever year you want to go to. Find some emails you may not need and just go ahead and check all of them and then put them in the trash. And then of course you can just go ahead and bulk delete them. So once you've done this, go to the trash folder, and in here you can just go ahead and click on empty trash up top, hit this delete button, and it's going to free up your space, and then you're going to have more space in here. Now, of course, you could also go and delete spam emails if you want to, and then delete them from trash as well, which is always going to help. And if you have any archived emails which you've mistakenly archived or don't need anymore, you can of course delete those as well. Now, you can always check storage by clicking bottom left over here to see how much you have left and how much you've profited, or you can go to the top right over here and see directly without actually changing screens, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.